In this video, we will show you how to solve a problem with publish button on Google News Publisher is disabled like this. In here, you need to review your agreement with terms of service. Maybe usually you don't accept yet, so we can fill this form. Please put all your name, email, and title for your role for this publisher. And you can also fill the organization, and don't forget to click submit after all done. For example, in title I have editor role, and the organization where data like this channel, and click submit. And after this done, in here we have a still issue. We need to review and delete the issue of our content setting because there is no fit appear. So in here we suggest to delete if there is a problem because we just need the website fit. Okay, and click next, and voila, the publish button now already to be clicked and submit your review as Google News Publisher. Hope this video helpful for you.